The hottest field in 2025, fine-tune Llama, build RAG, create AI agents.
This is where the 300,000 plus jobs are.
We'll start with Llama 3 next week.
I'll show you how to run Llama 3.8b locally, today.
Object detection, segmentation, video, stable diffusion, and the visual future.
I just built a real-time pose estimator. You can too.
YOLOV10, SAM2, ControlNet, all coming.
I'll run YOLOV 10 live on webcam.
The people who keep AI running 24/7, highest demand, least supply.
MLOps engineers earn more than most ML researchers.
MLflow, Kubeflow, monitoring, we'll cover all.
I'll show you MLflow tracking live.
You have everything needed to start your own AI startup, today.
I'm launching mine next month using exactly what we built.
From idea to MVP to funding, we'll walk you through it.
I'll show you how to add payments to your Day 85 app.
Want to publish at NeurIPS? We'll get you there.
I just got my first paper accepted. You're next.
Reproduce SOTA, then improve it.
I'll show you how to train your own transformer from scratch.
Control real robots with AI, the most exciting frontier.
I just got a Boston Dynamics spot to follow me using YOLO.
ROS2 plus reinforcement learning equals future.
I'll run a simulated robot arm live with your Day 85 vision model.
Use AI to solve climate change, healthcare, poverty, the most meaningful path.
I'm building flood prediction for developing countries. You can too.
UN, Red Cross, who all hiring AI talent.
I'll show satellite disaster detection live.
Run AI on $5 microcontrollers, no cloud, no internet.
I put a model on an Arduino. It detects gestures in real time.
Tiny ML market exploding, billions of devices.
I'll deploy your Day 85 model to a Raspberry Pi live.
You understand both code and business. Become the bridge companies desperately need.
I just signed a $300,000 consulting deal. No PhD required.
Highest paid non-technical AI role.
I'll show you how to write an AI product spec.
Contribute to Hugging Face, PyTorch, LangChain. Become famous in the community.
My PR got merged into Transformers. 10K stars overnight.
Best way to get hired by top companies.
I'll submit a real PR live during this video.
Tomorrow, Day 89. We build the portfolio that gets you hired, then 30 days of your chosen path, non-stop.
I'm already preparing the Llama 3 series.
Every single day, new lessons, new projects.
The best is yet to come.
Your exact 100-day plan to master any path you choose.
I followed this, now I'm living my dream.
Daily content continues, we're with you forever.
Every tool, every code, every week.
Junior AI roles 120K, 180K. Senior 250K, 400K plus. Founders unlimited.
I got 3 offers in 1 week after my portfolio.
Demand has never been higher.
Your Day 85 app beats 90% of candidates.